Yes, there is a nutritional difference between dried and fresh fruit. Here's a breakdown of the key differences. 1. Caloric density and sugar content. Dried fruit. Since dried fruit has had its water removed, it becomes more calorie dense. A smaller serving size packs more sugar and calories than fresh fruit. Some dried fruits also have added sugar, increasing their glycemic impact. Fresh fruit contains more water, making it more filling and hydrating with fewer calories per serving. 2. Fiber and nutrient content. Dried fruit still retains fiber, which is good for digestion, but the drying process can reduce certain heat-sensitive vitamins like vitamin C. Some dried fruits are also treated with sulfur dioxide to preserve color, which can be problematic for those with sensitivities. Fresh fruit generally has more vitamin C and antioxidants compared to its dried counterpart. 3. Antioxidants and micronutrients. Dried fruit rich in antioxidants, especially polyphenols, which benefit heart health. However, some nutrients may degrade during drying. Fresh fruit contains a wider range of vitamins and minerals in their natural, unaltered state. For portion control and satiety, dried fruit easier to overeat due to its small size and concentrated sugars. Fresh fruit more filling due to water content, making it easier to consume in moderation. Which one is better? Both have their benefits. If you need a quick, nutrient-dense energy boost, for example, before a workout, dried fruit can be convenient. If you're looking for a hydrating, lower-calorie snack, fresh fruit is the better option. Just watch out for added sugars in dried fruit and consume it in moderation. Would you like recommendations for specific dried or fresh fruits based on your dietary goals?